If you want to capture stunning 48 megapixel photos on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max with the latest iOS, let's see the process. For that, you have to open up your settings, head to camera section, and go for formats. Scroll a little bit and go for photo mode. From here, you have to select 24 megapixel. And from here, toggle on ProRAW and resolution control. Now from Pro default, and there have two options for 48 megapixel. I prefer the first one as it saves storage while maintaining quality. Now open up the camera app and make sure the HEIF Max option you selected is enabled. And the camera is set to 1x zoom, as 48 megapixel mode won't work otherwise. Now you are all set to take ultra high resolution 48 megapixel photos on your iPhone. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.